welcome, Sherries! Today, we're learning how to apply Builder Gel. The 5-in-1 formula is great for protecting and repairing your nails, as well as nail art. As with regular gel manicures, it is very important to prep your nails. If you know these steps already, get your nails ready. But if you're unsure of the prep steps, please watch our full mani tutorial. Let's get started. Applying Builder Gel to protect your nails. Apply a thin layer of Builder Gel, slightly thicker than our one-step gel on the nail. Now cap your nails. Glide a bit of gel over the free edge, or tip, to seal it. Wipe off any gel on your skin before curing. Done? Time to cure your nails under the lamp. Moving on, apply a second regular layer of Builder Gel, wipe off any gel on your skin and cap the free edge. Now cure again under the lamp. And voila, you're done! With nails as strong as they're lovely. Interested in repairing your nails and to even them out? You've come to the right place. So you've completed all the application steps right until the first curing. Now apply a second layer of Builder Gel, but this time focus mostly on the lunula. Use small circular motions to spread the gel evenly across the nail. Try not to place the gel too close to the cuticle. This technique builds a thicker base and nail structure. Once you're done, flip your hand upside down, 180 degrees, for 5 to 10 seconds. Now you have a balanced, leveled, and even application. To avoid gel pooling at the base, flip the nail upside down and use the liner brush to gently guide the Builder Gel from the cuticle to the tip. This helps control the gel placement and ensures an even surface. Flip your hand back to its normal position and let the gel self-level for 2 seconds. Now flash cure the nail for no longer than 10 seconds before full curing. It helps set the product but allows adjustments and lessens heat spikes. Then fully cure under the lamp for 30 to 60 seconds. That's it? Done! Your nails are smooth and even, like never before. If you have irregular or uneven nail areas, gently refine the surface. Finish by dusting off with the Softie brush and wiping with the cleanser pads. That's it! All done! You've repaired your nails to get the best nail look you can think of. If you'd like to add color, don't wipe off the sticky layer. Instead, apply the color directly over the Builder Gel as a base, then follow our gel polish application steps. For a natural look and a neat finish, wipe off the sticky layer after curing and apply a top coat for extra gloss. And that's it for Builder Gel! Remember to keep practicing and always have fun. We look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.